This is your Learn It annotating lesson. So what I'm going to do is read a little bit of our story, which is called Living Green. This is a play, and the characters are Eva, Bo, Grace, Mr. Chin. The setting is Bo's living room. So anytime I start reading, I can look at the illustrations. So if I'm just going to see, I want to do a drawing. So I notice right here that there is a game controller. Okay, and I know they're in the living room, so they must be playing maybe Xbox, just making a personal connection because of my boys, and I know they like to play. So I've already got a little bit of schema for what this story is going to be about, so I'm going to read on. Eva, looking at the clock, whoa, we've been playing this game for an hour. We haven't made the final version of our reduce, reuse, recycle poster for Miss Garcia's class. Bo, closing the computer game and settling on the floor in front of a poster board. No big deal. We know a lot about conversation and sustainable living and stuff. We're very environmentally conscious. This will be easy. Eva, you can get a new piece of poster board from that package. Okay, so I know I'm going to go back to mark up my text. I'm going to add just a note here to myself. I'm going to highlight this part. No big deal. We know a lot about conservation and sustainable living and stuff. We're environmentally conscious. I'm going to underline that. And I'm just going to put a question mark here because this is a word that I don't know. So I want to come back to that and figure out that word. Right here, we can make an inference. Okay, so we can do that. I'm going to do a little comment here. So I can, anyway, there's lots of different things I can do. If I want to create a text box, there it is, and then I can put that and just type what I'm thinking. I think, okay, and this would all be modeled for students. I can make this bigger so that they can see it. Okay, and